wanted to go over a couple of pointers for you with the Android. First off, this is mine, and so first off, you've got a lower row here of buttons. This is your home button, and that will take you to the home screen. So this is like a home screen, and you have multiple home screens, and you can flip through them, as you can see, like I'm doing here. Normally they come with like 3, but you can change it, I think, to like 7. But for the sake of doing this right now, I'm just gonna show you what what you would do with 3. In the background here, you can see I've got my little fish swimming. That's like a background. It's called live wallpaper. But you can worry about that later. Anyway, after you get the phone all set up and get it, your account set up with, so that it's operating and everything's cool, then what you will probably want to do is set up your email to come through the phone. So the way to do that is you just click here, and then on your that's your menu key, and then go to settings, and then in settings you can go to accounts and sync, and then you can tell that you see how mine is already set up. But down here there's a button called add an account, and if you click that, add an account.
You desire the better things of life, or you wouldn't be listening to this record.
You can pick what type of account. So like your Google account, you would hit that, and then or it'll go take you step by step and tell you how to do it. Okay, so also, and really all you have to do is put in your email address and your password if you're like Google. And after you've done that, then you'll be able to, to get out of this, you can just hit home. It'll take you right back. Okay? So if you want to, after you've entered your email address and stuff, then it'll start picking up your email. So you'll be able to go to click here and then go to mail. So like everything on this list is like an alphabetical order. Mine is cluttered because of how many apps I have, but you can locate on here, it should say mail on your device. So like here is mail, and I'm just going to click that, and it's going to take me into my Gmail. Now what'll happen is that after you put your Gmail stuff in there, it's going to load all your messages up. So this takes time, so don't worry about that. Don't concern yourself, just move on. Okay, you want to get out of it, just hit home. You want to make a phone call, you hit phone. You want to send a text message and everything, to get out of it, you just hit home. You want to send a text message, you just go to your menu key, and you can go to messages. And you just locate that on your list. Here again, mine is crowded, but okay, there's messages. And those are like text messages. Okay? So that's it with that. In the next part, I'm going to tell you the other stuff. So, alright, cool. Okay, also, another thing that you are going to want to do is to, you see how my screen here, I don't have anything on there, right? So there's nothing there, and So if I wanted to get to my phone book, or wanted to make, like right here you can make a call, right? And then the other side I've got whatever the customization is for your phone. But if you want to have shortcuts to apps on your screen, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, how to make a shortcut. First, let's say I want a shortcut to my phone book and to my messages. Okay, I'm going to hit the menu button, and all you have to do here is go to the first one is my phone book, which is called Contacts, and then I'm going to scroll up and locate that. Once I find it, here's Contacts. So I'll just, and all you got to do is press and hold, and once I did that, it gives me an icon that I can put on the screen. So there's my contacts. Okay. Now the other thing I wanted my messages, right? So if I want a shortcut for that, same thing. I go into the menu and I go through the app list, locate the one for messages, which is here. Press and hold. And then you see it, you can move it about. There's my messages. So if I want to see my messages, I just click it. There are my messages. I want to get out of it, click home. That's it. If I want to get rid of one of these, let's say I don't like it and it's pissing me off, if you press and hold, there's a trash can. You can just throw it away. Alright. That's it. So the next part is about AppBrain. And what you want to do is, number one, have a Gmail, which I know you already have, but once you have Gmail set up, here's Gmail, right? Once you have your Gmail set up, you should go to a computer and then get yourself it's called an AppBrain, AppBrain.com, and you can sign in there with your Google account. And then what you can do is go to appbrain.com on your Android phone and just get the AppBrain app. Once you do that, it will link with your, if you have the passwords and everything, it'll link with your phone, and you can manage your apps with that. Okay, so I'm just going to go over and give you a couple of apps that I use that you should try to use after you can pick on AppBrain, that I suggest for your phone. So one of them is called AVG. It's the same antivirus that you use on the computer, and this is what it looks like on AppBrain. So here there's different things to choose from, so I'm going to show you the right one here. This is called AVG Antivirus, antivirus free, and you can get this for free on AppBrain, and that will, because even though it's a cell phone, since it goes on the internet and stuff, you want to have antivirus. I used the Pro version. Before I got the Pro version, I used the free version. So the free one is there, so I suggest you use that. And so between those two things, that should be it, really. That, and another good one to get would be, it's called Dolphin Browser HD. that. Here's Dolphin Browser, and they have a free version here, so you can. It's called Dolphin Browser HD, and that's free, and you can pick that up on AppBrain.